fraction, let's take the time to place them right on a number line. Proper, improper, mixed, they all belong. Let's learn where each one goes in this song. Put it on the line, watch the value show. 0 to a quarter to 7 halves, see the fractions grow. Proper, improper, mixed, all align. Every number finds its place on the line. Yeah, every fraction finds its place on the line. Proper fractions on the line. Proper fractions live between 0 and 1. Cause the part is smaller than the whole is done. 1/4 lands 1 step out of 4. 4 equal spaces, that's what the marks are for. 3/8 lands closer to 1 on the line. Cause 3 out of 8 is a larger share, that's the sign. Bigger denominator means more cuts in the hole. Smaller jumps forward on the number line stroll. Put it on the line, watch the value show. 0 to a quarter to 7 halves, see the fractions grow. Proper, improper, mix, all align. Every number finds its place on the line. Yeah, every fraction finds its place on the line. Come on, yeah, finds its place on the line. Improper fractions go past 1 whole. The top is bigger, that's their role. 5 fourths, count 4 fourths to reach 1, then 1 more fourth. Your jump is done. 11 quarters take steady steps ahead. 4 quarters make a whole, that rule is widespread. 8 quarters make 2, so move to the 2. Then 3 more quarters show where it's true. Improper fractions stretch far along the track. Each whole size group helps you keep your place intact. Mixed numbers show holes and parts side by side. Find that whole number first, let it guide. 2.5 started 2, that's clear. Then hop half a whole, now you're here. 3 1/4 count 3 whole jumps, then 1/4 step. Small but it bumps. Mixed numbers guide you part by part. Whole number first, fractions the art. Comparing on the number line. Woo. The number line shows what's big or small. Woo. Just look left or right, that's all. Left is smaller, right is more. The line makes values clear at their core. 1/2 sits right between 0 and 1. Any fraction left of that is less when done. Put it on the line, watch the value show. 0 to a quarter to 7 halves, see the fractions grow. Proper, improper, mix, all align. Every number finds its place on the line. Yeah, every fraction finds its place on the line. Every number finds its place on the line. Every fraction finds its place on the line.
Hi everyone, it's Maple. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Is there anything exciting you want to see next? Do you want a special shout out for your class? Fill out the form in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.